Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have permission to change a team's phone number. If you lack admin rights, ask IT now. Once signed into the team's desktop app or admin portal, navigate to the calls or voice settings so you're in the right place. Make sure the new number is formatted correctly and that any porting authorization is available. This avoids delays. Now proceed to the user or resource whose number you'll change, because that's where you'll apply the update. Once you're on the user or resource page, click the phone or voice settings to edit the assigned number. You'll either pick a number from inventory or enter the porting details. Choose carefully to match the correct region and emergency address. Make sure the calling plan and licensing align with the number's capabilities, because mismatches block features. After selecting the new number, save your changes and watch for confirmation messages. If applicable, apply the change and wait for provisioning to complete. This can take minutes. Once done, restart the team's client and perform inbound and outbound test calls to confirm caller ID and emergency address routing work correctly. If calls fail or number isn't showing, recheck that the user has the correct phone system license and emergency location assigned. Also inspect admin center logs and any porting status messages. If problems persist, escalate to your carrier or Microsoft support with the provisioning reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.